Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Buy already cooked or pre-cooked chitlins, when possible, because they should be safer to handle. Naturally cleaned. We use an all-natural cleaning process with no bleaches, brines, or preservatives to prepare our chitlins. They are cleaned and packaged following strict quality guidelines right here in the USA. The 9th of June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chitterlings can be contaminated with the bacteria Yersinia enterocolitica, which can cause a diarrheal illness called yersiniosis. Other foodborne pathogens, such as Salmonella and E. coli, can also be present, so it is important to follow safe food handling practices to prevent infection. 1 December 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
What is the best brand of chitterlings? Uncle Lou's Super Clean Chitlins are from Cincinnati, Ohio. Chicago's Moo and Oink sells chitterlings, all hand-cleaned, which seems to be a new culinary standard. Shawna's is a true African-American brand of chitterlings. The 6th of June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Soak chitterlings in salt water until thwarted. The first round of cleaning should be in very warm water. After you pull off the membrane, place in cold vinegar water. Now in plain water without the vinegar, rinse, and rinse until the water is clear and you don't see any membrane or dirt, etc.
Let's help you make your mark.
Use lemon to get rid of chitterlings smell by Nikki H. Quickly rinse them when you take it out the bag and put them in a container, and use either 4 cut-up squeezed lemons or 2 cups of lemon juice and let it sit in the container for like 3 hours. The lemons or lemon juice will kill the bacteria that causes the odor.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Naturally cleaned. We use an all-natural cleaning process with no bleaches, brines, or preservatives to prepare our chitlins. They are cleaned and packaged following strict quality guidelines right here in the USA.
Take our lead.
It is ready to cook right out of the package. Simple rinse, season, heat and serve. Aunt Bessie's hand-cleaned chitterlings are sanitary and prepared according to strict standards. They're ideal for deep frying in seasoned batter or pan frying to your liking.
Make your mark, take our lead.
These bacteria cause a disease called yersiniosis. Young children are more likely to get sick with yersiniosis if people preparing chitlins don't wash their hands carefully before touching children or items that children touch or put in their mouths, such as toys, pacifiers, bottles, and food. 13 November 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.